Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. So today I'm going to touch base on something that I talked about a little bit in a couple videos ago, where I had a theory that in structured Dooney and bourke bags, so mainly crossbody satchels, etc., not Florentine, I believe they have some paper inside of them, so meaning something that holds up the sides of the bag. And I suspect this because when I wash this, not only does it feel really stiff, and I don't know if you can hear this, but I can't. Okay, listen. I can hear it better in person, but when you move it back and forth, you feel this thing inside, but it's not the leather. Leather's soft, and this cotton is soft, but there's something hard inside. And like I said, I watched a guy called Bedo's Leather Works on YouTube, and he restores Louis Vuitton bags. And he opened up like an Alma bag, a very structured satchel. He's like, and then there's the paper that we have to replace. You know, I was like, whoa. So it was some structure that it was a whole panel on the front. So you guys are going to be terrified about what I'm about to do. But let me let you know, I'm totally okay with this. I'm going to take apart part of this bag. And the reason why I am is because, number one, I have two of these bags. You saw in my Dooney collection video, I have two of them. This one in Caribbean blue, so it's just Dooney and bourke crossbody. And then I also have it in pale blue, so which is right here. Very similar color, not the same, but I'm going to use that. And this bag here, I've had it for, oh my gosh, like 2.5 years, maybe 2. And I spilled something in it like a year ago, and it leaves this smell, and it's kind of like a caramely smell. It was a fragrance, and it has not ever gone away. And the smell, just, I get a whiff of it every now and then in my room. I'm getting so tired of it. So there's a lot of scents that you can't really take out, I've learned, unless you use like Febreze. But I personally don't like the smell of Febreze. I don't like that. I don't like chemically stuff. So that works really well if you're trying to get rid of a smell. Baking soda I found doesn't work. So thanks for letting me know, you guys, about that. But I am going to show you guys, and I'm going to test out my theory that there's structure in this bag. Now I could be wrong, but I can feel there's something hard in between the leather. So what I have, I don't know if this is going to work. I have, since I'm a quilter, this is called a seam ripper. And what it does is it rips out any kind of seam that you've made. And it's actually really easy, depending on what kind you have. And then I also have these really sharp sewing scissors. They're kind of dangerous, but they get really close up to things to get, you know, like a cut, like way down there. So let's do a little portion, and because, yeah, this is not salvageable. It just smells. You know, I'm tired of it. I can't use it anymore. So sorry, Peter Dooney, but I'm doing this for an experiment. So feels stiff on both sides here, so let's just start with the back. And what I'm going to do is start with the first stitch, like what you do in quilting. Well, no, let's just start on the top of the fabric, not on top of the leather, because that's going to be a little tricky. All you do is you pick up underneath the first stitch with, you know, the pointed part, and then you pull it towards you. Whoa, that was easy. Ah! So first stitch is out. I know you're going to probably see my head because I have to look really close because this, whoa, that stitch is really deep. Okay. It's hard to see because it's red on red, but I have good eyesight. Thank goodness I do, huh? Okay, so I'm good. Sorry, I can't fast forward. I'm not good at editing quite yet with fast forwarding, so you can fast forward maybe a few seconds or so. Or 30 seconds or for however long. I'm going to do a little bit of a section, see if we can open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so right now I'm taking out stitch, see that? Little string. Yeah, you can kind of see it. So that is the stitching that's coming out, and so that's good. I'm getting it out. You pull it towards you. Did I get this one? Yeah. thing's dirty a little bit. I always wash this one. Like I said, after I washed it, you know, I soaked the whole thing in stain remover, and then I rinsed the whole thing out. And then after I did that, this is all kind of wavy. I'm like, well, that's really weird. Leather doesn't always do it. It can, but it didn't seem right. So I'm like, there's gotta be some structure. Okay. It's just hard to see because it's red. It is red on red. Okay, so in a minute here we're going to be able to see what's inside, I hope. I don't make purses, so I don't know how many layers of crap is in here, so... But it looks like one layer of the twill cotton red lining. It looks like just one layer. It's very thick. So it's very... Dooney and bourke is very high quality when it comes to their interiors, so... yeah, for sure. Coach is pretty good. Coach is okay. But, okay. Why is this not coming out? Okay, that's glue. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, I think there was a little bit of glue. Okay. We're getting there, you guys. Yeah, that's glue in there. Okay. Yeah, it's this clear sticky stuff to hold it together. Okay. What am I going to find in here? Okay, I got to open up a little bit more, so bear with me. Let's see if you can see what I'm doing. A little bit, huh? Okay. Alright, a little bit more. Like I said, this bag is just far gone for me. I had it for 2 years and it's seen better days. I have a lot of memories with it. Not specific memories, but no. That's okay. I have a backup. It'll be okay. Alright. So let's try opening this up. I was able to a little bit a second ago. See if you can see that. Yep. Alright. So it's a little stick. So they put a little bit of glue right here. Ooh. What is in there? Yeah, you can rip it. Okay. Just like, you know, when you rip fabric. So I've just taken out all these stitches. Okay. So let me get on my flashlight on my phone so you can see if I'm able to do that without showing you my phone. Hold on. Turn on flashlight. Okay. Yay. Okay. So I've just opened this up. Okay. I don't see... Oh, what is that? Oh, that's the pockets. Okay. There's nothing there. All it is just the fabric, and then here is... This is like a thick piece of leather right here, and then the rest of it is the blue leather. But you know what I need to do is... We're going to try opening up this here. So... Because you know why? I don't see any paper yet, but I feel it. That's my theory. So let's go on the outside here. There's a straight stitch at the top. I love seam rippers, and if you ever want to take out stitches of anything, this is working really well. You can find them at Joann's under the Sewing Notions section. Just called seam ripper. Oh, see, look. Yeah, look how easy it is. Yeah, see, I'm starting to get the first stitch out. I want to see what is all in here, because I didn't see paper in that inner part. Oh, that hurt. Whoa, look how easy that was. That's like how Beetle's Leatherworks does it. It just kind of pulls it out. Alright. Okay. I wonder if I could do this two hands, my flashlight, okay? Let's take a look. Alright. Sorry, I'm just trying to open this up. Okay. Nothing. Okay, so you see the blue leather underneath there, and it's just the fabric. Now there is structure here at the top, and it's about 4 inches in width, and that is like a thin piece of leather. Let me feel that. Feel that there. Yep, it's leather. You can definitely tell. So, and that's like a bit of the glue or whatever. Huh. Interesting. So I was wrong. But yeah, it feels stiff. Yeah, darn it. Well, but this feels really stiff. Let's try that side. Like, it's making that hard noise, so. Okay, so as I said, there's no paper on this side and the back. Just fabric. Yeah. You guys, the underside, the leather here, it's really rough. I think we can see that. It's like, you know, when you buy suede shoes or a suede jacket. Back there, it's like really the rough leather. Okay, so let's just try that real quick. I want to see if there's a real... I don't think there is. See that? Listen to that. It sounds like there's something in it, but let's just find out. Okay. Alright, there's another stitch. It sucks because I've used this bag for so long, but I gotta let it go. I really do. Sentimental reasons, but that's okay. It'll be alright. Got my other one. It's not the stuff that holds the memories, right? It's all in your head. Got the memories in your head, so. But it's easier to said than done sometimes, huh? Okay. It's trickier. Because I touch this so much when I open my bag. On this leather. See, I'm just pulling it towards me. Can we pull that? Oh. Give me a minute here. Can't believe so far there's no like structure, added structure other than that top leather part. Nothing.